welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you some 3 amazing ways of styling your dupatta, because I know that you guys are bored while just wearing the same type of dupatta every time. So first I want to tell you that like this video because I know you're gonna love it. So let us move on to the styles. If you have any pretty dupatta with this kind of pretty border, use that for sure, and then you can fold it in half like how I did. Then let's put it around our neck. So this design, this border will come like this, and now let's grab a belt. Okay, so I got the belt. Now we are going to make this tight on our waist. Okay, so I've tied it. Now see how cute it looks. If you want, you can also loosen a little bit over here and then make it like a t-shirt. I just pulled it down and now it looks like such a beautiful party dress, right? See, just in a few seconds, it has become such a beautiful ball gown. Let's move on to the second style. So take almost anywhere, small part of your border, and then wrap it around your neck. Then all tied up. Now we are going to take this end from under my arm and we are going to pin it up. Now let us do the same with the other side. Okay, now I have pinned it up. Look, it's such a beautiful pattern. Look, there's the outline at the ends, the choker style dupatta border here, and some sleeves. And now let's grab a safety pin. If you want, you can also take the border like this and then pin it up over here. And the new pattern is ready. It is a sari type pattern, but it's even much better than a sari. It's so beautiful. Now let us come to the last design, but not the least design, and it is the easiest design. So first you have to fold your dupatta in half, then put it around you. Now take it like this and then take the bottom end like this and pin it up together. Like this type pattern it should be. Now let's do the same with the other hand. And now our beautiful shrug is ready. See, you can rock the streets with this. This has become a beautiful shrug in just seconds. Like, subscribe and share. I know you liked. Let's subscribe as well. Share and ring the bell notifications so you can know when my latest updates are coming. See you later, guys.